Finally, here we have the first official look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung is gearing up to launch its next Ultra smartphone, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And now we have our first look at it through leaked CAD renders. These images, shared by Android headlines, give us a clear idea of the phone's design and what we can expect. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will be the most powerful and premium model in the upcoming Galaxy S26 series. The new renders showcase the device from every angle, and since CAD renders are usually very close to the final product, they provide a reliable preview. There's also a 360 degrees video that offers a complete view of the phone. While Samsung hasn't made any dramatic design changes, there are subtle updates worth noting. In these renders, the device features a flat display with a small centered punch hole for the front camera. The bezels are extremely thin and uniform, giving the phone a modern and refined look. The frame and back are mostly flat with slightly curved edges, making it more comfortable to hold. On the back, the Galaxy S26 Ultra houses 4 cameras, 3 of them aligned vertically on a slightly raised camera island that sticks out by 4.5 mm, while the 4th camera is built directly into the rear panel. An LED flash and additional sensors are placed above the 4th camera. The right side of the device features the power and volume buttons, while the bottom houses the USB Type-C port, main speaker, SIM card tray, and S Pen slot positioned in the bottom left corner. Overall, the Galaxy S26 Ultra looks premium, stylish, and powerful, with refined design changes that enhance both aesthetics and usability. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. Samsung has not raised the charging speeds on its Galaxy S Ultra lineup for several years, sticking with 45-watt wired fast charging. Early reports had suggested that the Galaxy S26 Ultra might finally bump this up to 60 watt, but reliable tipster Ice Universe on X has reiterated that the specs remain unchanged, confirming 45-watt charging rather than 60 watt. The rumors about a possible 60-watt upgrade first surfaced from a One UI 8.5 leak, which raised hopes for faster charging. Such an upgrade would have been useful, especially since Samsung is likely keeping the battery capacity at 5,000 mAh once again. Recently, all Galaxy S26 models passed certification in China. The listings confirm that the Galaxy S26 Ultra supports 45-watt charging. The Galaxy S26 Pro and Galaxy S26 Edge stick to 25 watt, consistent with their predecessors. So while many fans were hoping for faster speeds in 2026, it looks like Samsung is sticking to its tried and tested charging strategy. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. Samsung seems ready to refine one of its long-standing strengths, the display. Recent hints suggest that the Galaxy S26 Ultra could introduce meaningful advancements in screen technology. Interestingly, iQOO, a sub-brand of Vivo, has started teasing its iQOO 15 flagship, which will feature Samsung Display's latest high-end OLED panel. Notably, well-known tipster Ice Universe claims that this same OLED technology will also make its way into the Galaxy S26 Ultra. According to Ice Universe on X, references to a privacy display have been discovered inside the One UI 8.5 code. This feature would narrow screen visibility at side angles, helping protect sensitive information in public spaces. For the Galaxy S26 Ultra, this capability will likely arrive through Samsung's Flex Magic Pixel technology. The concept is straightforward. The screen automatically reduces viewing angles, making it harder for others nearby to peek at your display. Flex Magic Pixel, first showcased last year by Samsung and MU, is expected to power this feature. While there's a chance the broader Galaxy S26 lineup could also benefit, leaks suggest that Samsung is prioritizing the Ultra model. Insiders believe the Ultra's display will be the most advanced in the entire lineup, making it the leading candidate to debut the privacy display feature. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. We're now going to run through the full specs, design, and expected pricing to help you decide which one is right for you, so hit subscribe now, and let's dive right into it. First up, the standard Galaxy S26. It's coming with a 6.2-inch dynamic A&OLED display with improvements in brightness and color accuracy. We get a 120Hz display with HDR10+ and a resolution of 1080x2340. The The display will be protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. For selfies, it has a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the rear, there's a triple camera setup consisting of a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, but the exact sensors are still unknown. It'll be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset and comes with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4000 mAh unit with 25 dV fast charging and 15 dV wireless charging. It will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. The phone will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at around $800 in January 2026. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, which may also be known as the S26 Edge. This one will come with a 6.7-inch dynamic OLED display with similar improvements in brightness and color accuracy. You'll get a 120Hz display, HDR10+, and a resolution of 1440x3120, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. There's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies. The rear setup includes a dual camera system with a wide and an ultra-wide camera, though the exact sensors are still under wraps. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 and will come with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4900 mAh unit with 45 dV fast charging and 15 dV wireless charging. It will support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. This model will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to be priced from $1,000 in January 2026. Finally, we have the premium model, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This one features a 6.9-inch dynamic OLED display, again with improvements to brightness and color accuracy, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+, with a resolution of 1440x3120, and it will be protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 3. There have been reports suggesting that this could feature the first ever under-display camera on an S-series phone, likely an 8-megapixel under-display selfie camera. On the rear, it will come with a quad camera setup featuring wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses, but the exact sensors are still unknown. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 in all regions and will come with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, UFS 4.0. It's packing a 6000 mAh battery with significant improvements to fast charging. As expected, it will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. The S26 Ultra will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at $1,300 in January 2026. Overall, it's looking like the Samsung Galaxy S26 series is going to be an exciting release, especially if the Ultra becomes the first S-series phone to feature the under-display camera. Samsung seems to be continuing their strategy of improving and refining their phones, rather than completely redesigning them for the sake of it. And just like all new phones, there will be a major emphasis on software, with AI playing a huge role in the user experience. The launch is still a bit far off, but we can expect plenty of information to leak as we approach the release date. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out